25th of June, yes, sorry. You look at that, on Tuesday, 25th of June, I was in the Labour Party headquarters to meet, to commence the discussion about the issue of resolving Labour Party family problems. And I did mention that the group which within our family is known as transition committee, that I'm going to meet them. And that is why I'm here, to meet them. All in the same discussion, which we've commenced.
So what is the outcome of these hours? What is the outcome of these hours of meeting?
Well, now we've deliberated on what we think we need to, for me, I've listened to this side, I've listened to this side, and we'll go on consulting within the stakeholders, which involves a lot of people.
So why
have we wait forward?
So 2027 is around the corner.
No, it's not around the corner.
We can't say that there are
Excellency, these issues on the lingering crisis in the Labour Party has been for a long time.
It's not for a long time.
And it has, since 2023, this has been on. And no, you have been accused of standing in defense. That's the reason that this issue has not been resolved. Can you tell us how to defend this?
I'm still on the fence. But I can, from that fence, I'll resolve it.
At what time do you resolve this issue?
We'll resolve it.
Preparing toward 2027.
Yeah.
Like what he said, are we sure that this issue will be resolved for Labour Party to have a ground to contest for 2027?
It will be very amicably resolved. Remember, today you're talking about Labour Party. I'm sure in 2019, Labour Party wasn't an issue because they didn't have a presidential candidate.
So, do you see
don't worry.
Do you see external forces in
Whichever forces that is involved, we will resolve it. External and internal, we will amicably resolve this to the greater interest of Nigerians, not just Labour Party, where we'll start caring about what concerns Nigerians. Nigerians do not expect us as politicians to be preoccupied by party wranglings. They want us to be preoccupied by issues that affect Nigerians, which is their health, their children's education, the food, and pulling people out of poverty. We can't have 30-something million people that will face hunger, with more people being thrown into poverty and everything, and we're preoccupied by party wrangling. We are going to resolve it and focus on doing what we are expected as politicians. It means we are public servants, and we must focus on the people. It is about the people.
But the people are distracted by this issue so far.
No, they are not distracted. They are being distracted by those in office. We're not in office. How can they be distracted when we're actually doing what is amazing?
Do we still have hope for Labour Party in the next elections?
Huge hope. You've told you, huge hope. Huge hope.
So the NLC president,
And that is the future of your children.
so the NLC president was not part of your meeting right now.
It shouldn't be.
You met him separately before going into this?
Yes, because he's not part of this committee. I met him, I paid courtesy call to him, and I met the committee. That's how it works. Whatever you call it, I've started now.
Okay. So when are we expecting the next meeting? Maybe.
We'll call you. We called you on this one. So when we have next meeting, we'll call you. You're not part of the meeting now. How are we going to give you dates?
Okay. We are still on with the chairman.
You know, this meeting is as a result of what happened on the 25th of June, when it is in fulfillment of his pledge as the leader of the party that he is going to effect amicable resolution of the issue. And like he said, discussions have commenced and they are ongoing.
Okay, right now, where is the certificate of the Labour Party?
Is it material to this issue? The certificate of the Labour Party is in the custody of Nigeria Labour Congress.
Who is the national chairman of the Labour Party as we speak?
I am the National Transition Committee chairman.
What do we hope from this after this meeting with the PO?
Resolution of the problem. Thank you.